This is the first creative video of 2026. So whenever y'all see this is the first day. It's January 1st. Happy New Year to everybody. Just so y'all know I'm not, you know what I mean? January 1st, 8:53. This is the first video. So whenever I drop it, whenever y'all see it, that's just what it is, man. Hope y'all have a good new year. Hope you guys are like up and ready. I am motivated. 2026 is all year. 2026 is all year. If you're watching this video and you into AI and you want to build, vibe code, network, learn, this is our year. 2026. We are not playing. AI is here to stay, and we here to, you know, make it happen. Now, shout out to everybody that's into AI and everybody making noise in the AI industry. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to make a custom GPT in ChatGPT. So this is gonna be able to make a custom GPT or a custom voice agent, whatever you want to do. I'm gonna just show you how to do that in ChatGPT right now. So and don't mind me, because, you know, morning routine, I do what I do. Cleaned up, you know, smoked a little bit, because I am a connoisseur of the cannabis. So this is what y'all gonna get from me. Real authentic AI stuff, and me myself. So shout out to anybody that's on the Wake and Bake wave. We did that. So now I'm ready, I'm fresh, and I'm ready to go. Let's get it. So let's go into, first and foremost, you just want to make sure you have your ChatGPT OpenAI logged up, ready to go. I'm gonna just log in here. Yeah, I'm gonna just log in through Google, because that's how I signed up, baby. Boom. They tell me to do my password. Okay, so I gotta go to the latest model. So shout out to ChatGPT. They got GPT 5.2. Oh, I'm already on it. So I just gotta figure out what's new, what's happening in there. So what you want to do is you're gonna go to, there's so many things that you could do in here now. So you can even create your own apps, right? So you'll be able to create your own apps in ChatGPT. So make sure you download these. Oh, Spotify